I wanted to make a quick video about the gunshot sounds in the latest release of Ground Branch. Keep in mind though that this is still in early access, so there's definitely still work to be done and some sounds could end up being changed later on. But mainly I wanted to make this video to contrast with other shooters where the guns sound like airsoft guns are so quiet. The loudness and punchiness of the gunfire sounds adds to the intensity of the gameplay. Also notice how loud guns are with sound suppressors on. Yes, this is actually more accurate. Sound suppressors don't silence guns like some movies and games seem to think. They decrease the report so that it's harder for the enemy to pinpoint the origin of the gunshot, but that's it. They are still often really loud, especially if you use regular supersonic ammo. Anyway, it's enough talk, let's begin. Now I want to show the 5.56 NATO and 45 ACP examples out in a city landscape where there are plenty of buildings for the sound to reverberate from. This next part is actually to show how the game simulates the parallax-free nature of the red dot sights in the game, where the dot always stays on the point of impact no matter what angle you look at it from. So when the gun is down to your side, you don't see the red dot like it's painted on the glass itself, until you look down through it and the point of impact comes into view, so does the dot. A lot of games will have the dot as if it's painted on the glass of the optic itself, so even when the gun is down to the side and pointed forward, you can still see the dot on the optic, which you wouldn't in real life. This game does it very well.